Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva link full guide. Open your design, click Share, and copy the link to set permissions right away. Use the drop-down to choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor access and toggle options for link expiration or team-only sharing. I'll walk you through each setting, show sharing tips for presentations and social posts, and explain how to revoke access safely. Start by selecting the permission level that fits your workflow and audience. For drafts, pick Editor for teammates who need to make changes. Use Commenter when you want feedback without edits, and choose Viewer for final copies or clients. Remember to check team or public settings to avoid accidental wide access. I'll share quick examples of when to use each mode and how to switch permissions safely during collaboration. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated anywhere with a reliable spill-proof lid and sleek design, perfect during long design sessions. I mention it because staying hydrated helps creativity and focus, so it pairs nicely with working in Canva. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use expiration dates when sharing time-sensitive work to automatically cut access after a deadline. Add a password for confidential designs so only intended viewers can open the link. For tracking, place links in emails or project docs and note who received each link. I'll show how to adjust these settings, explain when to revoke links, and offer practical examples for client presentations, team reviews, and public promotions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.